Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 13th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about hashes in Perl. So a hash is a set of key value pairs, and let's say you were building a phone book. So the kind of information that you would want to put in your phone book, you would want to store names, you would want to store email addresses, and you would definitely want to store contact numbers. So each of these items or entries in the phone book would be a key value pair. So you would have name as a key and you would have a corresponding value, and then you would have email address as a key and a value for email address, and you would have phone number as a key and you would have a value for phone number. So a hash in Perl provides you a structure in which you can organize information in such a way. So to demonstrate hashes, I've got a script here which is called hashes.pl, and in this script on line number 3 I have created a hash called players. And just as you use a dollar symbol to create scalar variables and the @ symbol to create array variables, you use the percent symbol to create a hash. So you put the percent symbol and a name for your hash, the equal to symbol, and then within parentheses you have to type in your key value pairs. So in this hash I am going to store ranks as keys and the names of tennis players that are holding those positions. So the number one tennis player in the world is Novak Djokovic, so Novak is going to be the value, and 1 is going to be the key. So 1 is the rank here and Novak is the name of the player. And actually at the time of this recording, Andy Murray is the number 2 player in the world and Roger Federer is ranked 3, but the time when I wrote this script, Federer was actually ranked 2, so that's how I have it. So 2 is the rank for Federer and Roger is the value. So you put the key first and then you put an equal to sign and then you put the greater than symbol. That's how you define a key value relationship within a hash in Perl. And similarly I have an entry for Andy Murray here, and next I have a hash called capitals which has names of countries as the keys, and the corresponding capitals is the value. So over here in the players hash I have numeric keys. That's why I haven't enclosed the keys within quotes, whereas in the capitals hash I have text keys, so that's why I have put India and the US within double quotes, and then the corresponding capitals of course have to be put within double quotes: New Delhi and Washington DC, right? So this one has 3 key value pairs while this one has only 2 key value pairs. The next thing that we have to learn is to fetch values from a hash. So on line number 6 I have a print statement that is going to first display the text best player, and then we are supposed to display Novak's name here because he holds the number 1 position. So to do that you have to put the dollar symbol because you are displaying a scalar value. So you put the dollar symbol and then the name of your hash, which is players, and then within curly braces you are supposed to put the key for which you want the value to be pulled out. So Novak's key is 1, so that's why we put 1 here within curly braces. And then on line number 7 I've got another print statement which is going to display India's capitals. So dollar capitals is the name of this hash, and then within curly braces again and quotes I type in India, which is the name of the key, and we should see New Delhi there. So I'll make sure this script is saved and I'll press F5 to run it. So there we go, we see that the best player is Novak and India's capital is New Delhi. So that's it for this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. I hope you guys had fun watching this one, and you may subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Take care.